The news in detail. Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma today handed over MTAP learning tablets to students of West Garo Hills along with Speaker Thomas A. Sangma at a program held in District Auditorium, Tura. The MTAP is an initiative of the Chief Minister's Students' Digital Learning Scheme, which aims to promote e-education in the state. Speaking at the program, Chief Minister Sangma said that the handheld device is not just a gadget. It is a tool to empower us youth. In today's distribution, over 400 plus students from 21 different higher secondary schools received the tablets.
This is not just a program to give these small handheld devices to you. But this program is to let you know that we care about you. To let you know that we trust you, we believe in you, and that we have a huge expectation from you.